So guys, today's video I want to show you guys how to create an XAUSD trading bot, and this trading bot is going to trade only on XAUSD, which is gold. And the most important why we trade with with trading bot is because we want to win in the forex market and reduce our risk of losing all their capital. So how to create a trading bot? First of all, you can download MT5. So once you download the MT5, you're automatically going to be having Meta Editor. So this is your Meta Editor. You can search for Meta Editor. So once you have your Meta Editor right here, you just going to be clicking on that. So you just click on it. So once this particular page loads, you're going to be clicking on File right here. Click on File and click on New Project. Okay, so right here we're going to be having a few things to do. So here you can see Expert Advisor, then Expert Advisor generates. So each of them you can choose to use the first one, which is the templates. Don't mind, we're going to be removing every code on the template and impute our own. So you click on next. So here you're going to be asking you which particular name you're going to be giving on this particular trading bot. So here we're going to be having XAUSD bots. So this all, you can actually have your information impute here. If you want to maybe have your information right here, you can. If you have a website, you can replace it here. If you don't have a website, you can leave it optional. You can leave it to default, or you can remove that. Okay, so if you want to impute your name here as the programmer of this trading bot, you can actually do that by adding your name right here. Next view. Okay, so that's all. So you click on next. So here is very, very important. You can click on trade. This on trade, you can read the particular function of each, but you can use on trade. And if you're not seeing on trade on your own options, you can leave it that way and click next. Okay, so this particular page, you don't select any one. On test, we are not using test, we are using on trade. Okay, so now click finish. Okay, so this is our trading bot code. So all you're gonna do is to click on the code right here. This is the code. You have all these sources, and this is the particular code. So now what we're going to be doing is to highlight everything. Just Control A right here and delete. Okay, so for this particular trading bot, for sake of those who are not good with programming, you can use your DeepSeek. Okay, this is my DeepSeek. So you can click on new to start a new project. Okay, so here I'm going to be asking DeepSeek just a simple question, and I'll ask him to create a trading bot, but for MT5 that can trade on XAUUSD. Okay, you can keep it this simple. So don't worry, we're going to be making some changes on the code. So you're going to be keeping it as simple as this. Okay, so for a while, DeepSeek is going to be creating this. Don't worry, we're going to be changing the version of this trading bot, and the lot size, okay, 0.1. Okay, is okay. And we can always change this 0.01 on the configuration of this trading bot. Okay, so it's very, very simple. So it's still coding. Okay, so once it's done coding, we can actually copy and use. Okay, if you're a programmer, you will understand this request. But if you're not a programmer, you can actually copy and paste, and after you can go through them and learn more on Python development. Okay, so now these are the installation instruction, but this is what I'm going to be showing you on this particular video, so you can skip that. So all you have to do right here for me is to copy, and let's go back to our meta editor. You're going to have that paste here. So after pasting, you have to go through the line and make sure there is no error. You can scroll, there is no any error. Okay, there's no any error. So we're going to be changing some things right here. I'm going to be using, okay, version 5 is okay. Copyright, you can add your name so people can know you are the developer of this particular trading bot. Okay, so what will I do next? Okay, this is okay. So you're gonna be building this. Okay, I'll try to play the trading bots, and I have just 4 warnings, 4 errors and 1 warning. Okay, so from the previous video I made, someone said you can do Control A to copy the error, but it doesn't work like that. Okay, so all you have to do is to select, hold Control and select each errors. Okay, you can skip the warning, so, and copy. So now you go back to your DeepSeek and impute the errors. Okay, so you're gonna wait for DeepSeek to do some corrections on this. So we're gonna be waiting for the correction. So the correction is going. I can actually fix this particular correction by tracing the line. Okay, this is actually line 24. Okay, the issue was the declaration without type. Okay, so this line 24, you can scroll up, this line 24 input strategy. Okay, this was the problem. You can actually remove this and impute 14 to give it a type, but based on our fresh developers, we can actually use DeepSeek to do the correction. So we're gonna be waiting for DeepSeek to finish up the corrections. So now just copy, go back to your editor, select, and impute the new corrected. Okay, so you can try to resume debug. You can see we have successfully debugged our trading bot. You can see this is our copyright next week limited XAUUSD trading bot with multiple strategy. You can allow Angola trading. Okay, so you can see we have successfully debugged our trading bots. And if you come to let me see, expert advisor XAUUSD bots, you can see this is our trading bot. So I'm going to be giving out this particular trading bot on the Telegram. after this particular video goes some viral. So I'll give it out for everyone to use and trade. Okay, so you can still copy these templates from our Telegram page. I'm going to be pasting the link to our Telegram on this video description. You can have these templates and save and use. You can still manipulate on the templates, change some figures if you don't like this strategy. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like our video for more videos from next week.